Hey everyone. So, today, no, put it back in the box nice, please. Today we were going to do this pottery kit, but it turns out that thing takes 4D batteries. We only have 2 around here, so we're going to switch it up, and we're going to do this bottle resin kit. I don't know. Hopefully it doesn't take something we don't have.
It's cool.
And Miss Josina, let me show you guys her.
If you wanna see some crazy and also lazy, then you should meet me and my friends. Even though we got no money, we sure as hell funny. Yeah, everything's better with them. We're just like ooh, ooh, ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just ooh, ooh, ooh. What we wanna do tonight. Waking up at sundown, the world's our playground, and we don't even have to pretend. Every time we're together, it doesn't get better, and every day's like a weekend. We're just like ooh, ooh, ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just ooh, ooh, ooh. What we wanna do tonight. So don't tell me how to act or how I should be. All we wanted is to be free. We don't wanna be like you.
She's over here playing her, what is this stuff? Mad Matter. It's like a little sand thing. She loves it, so does Esmaye. Are you having fun? She had a little episode not that long ago where she put gum on one of her rings. And her reasoning behind it was because we didn't let her play with her sand.
Nobody.
Nobody. For days, guys. Days. I love you. So, we got our sand fix in, so now we don't have to play with our gum. Right? Right. Where's the directions? Do we have everything we need for this one? Perfect. Alright.
Banana.
Cover the entire work area with a silicone mat.
We don't have silicone mat.
We don't.
We have that.
Well, that's not the same.
Yeah, I'll just.
You need a silicone mat to get the resin off. Okay, well.
Okay, well, can we use that?
No, because it'll stick to that and it won't come off of it. You gotta have the silicone mat so it comes back off.
What you put on the pan, it's like has paper.
Well, darn the luck. Okay. Well, next.
I just won't spill any.
Next kit.
Okay. 2 other things. Here's our options.
Okay. Esmaye came bearing some more options. Let's see if we have something.
We have a makeup thing.
Here you have
and we have a fairy lantern.
Makeup, let me fix this.
Do makeup. Alright, so we have 2 options. We have a fairy lantern nightlight, or we have a cosmetic colorist kit to make my own eyeshadow.
Well, which one are you doing, ma'am? Eyeshadow?
Yeah.
Alright.
That one would take forever. This, however, shouldn't require any batteries or mats. What's that needed for?
I don't know. Guess we'll find out when we read the instructions.
Poster. Poster. Now what is this?
Colorfully. So cute. So cute.
Playing. Okay, what's this for?
Alright. Before you start, everyone's skin sensitivity varies. Before applying to your face, wipe a small test patch on your inner arm to make sure it does not irritate your skin. If you experience any redness or itchiness, do not continue. Never place directly into your eye. Do not put it in your eyeball.
Okay.
Always wash your hands before applying eyeshadow. Find a flat surface to use as your work area and lay down paper towels or scrap paper Set all the materials on your workspace and get ready to create some eye-catching cosmetics. Woohoo! Alright. Well, cool. Apparently you need paper towels to put this all on.
Nope. Don't want that. This is really heavy for me. Oh, so I pour it in and then I press it.
Oh, the directions. Alright. Step 2. Scoop 3 to 4 spoonfuls of the eyeshadow pigment into your measuring cup.
I need a spoon.
Yep.
No, a plate. Not come with a spoon.
Oh, yeah, it has a little scoopy thing.
I said that. Let's see. It must lost a lot. There it goes.
There it goes. Alright.
Count the actual amount and not a spoonful.
Okay. So you need 3 to 4 spoonfuls in a measuring cup.
Of different colors or of all the same?
I think of just, if you're going to do 3 colors, I'd do 1 spoonful of each and then...
Okay.
Yeah. If you want more of one color than the rest, we'll maybe do 2 of it.
You got that something that can't be seen. You got that one thing that's hard to come by. It's not your styling, it's not your jeans. No, what you got is deeper within. And your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me. Cause I'm the only one who can see. I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. The things you're saying, it blows my mind. The way you're thinking, it's hard to keep up. You got that beauty and all the brain. Yeah, what you got is deeper within. And your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me. Cause I'm the only one who can see. I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. I don't need your edgy style, no. I don't need your hang-arounds, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. If I might say, you light up my day so bright. You show me your way, and I'm no match for you. No, I'm no match for you. Ooh, I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. I don't need your edgy style, no. I don't need your hang-arounds, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need.
Alright, Esme got her eyeshadow palette done. The girls are eating some pizza now, so we're going to do leftover pizza. Here's her little eyeshadow palette. Here. Let me do this so my big old finger's not in the way. Here's her eyeshadow palette. Was it as great as you thought it would be, or was it kind of a pain? Did it work out how you wanted, or not really?
Not really.
Didn't work out too much of how she wanted, but we'll see. We'll see how it works. It might be wearable. It might not be wearable. She got it made anyhow, so apparently we have a lot of craft projects around here that we don't have all the parts for. Who knew? Who knew? Alright, well, this was a real short vlog today, but, you know, that's how life goes, I guess. Anyways, we're going to let these girls eat, and we will see you all tomorrow. Bye!
Bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification. And share. And comment below.
And comment below.
And stop mimicking me.
Stop mimicking me.